Hi everyone, this is Angel from 52 Framework. So I wanted to go over the grid framework because some people may find it a little confusing. So this is our grid framework sample page, and you can find that in the HTML by going to framework and then grid. Now let's go over some of the basics. Of course, you have to include the grid CSS file for the grid to actually work. And now something that you notice is we have our div class role. Now basically every horizontal, it's like a horizontal divider for us. So if you would like to have a horizontal line that has elements within it, certain column elements, you have to start off with a class role. And you can apply that class role to any block element like a div or a section or a footer. So once you have your class role, inside of it you can put elements that have the col7 and col. Now both of these are required. It's required to know how wide it is, and it needs to know that it is a column, because you can use the col7 to style a certain element with the width of an element that will be as wide as the column 7 or 7 columns worth of space. So you have to use the col class as well. So always use the col7 and then the col, and then so from 7 the framework is 16 wide, so we have the 9 column on the side. So then you have column 7 on the left and then column 9 on the right, and they basically stack up onto each other. Now this could be done with more complicated example where we have another row, then we have a col 8, and within a col 8 we can have either two col 4s, or as we've done here is a col 1 and a col 7. And you can keep going deeper in. So for example, when we go in here, we have another row and then another row, and then within those rows we can have 3 and 4 because it's within a 7, and so on. So I hope this helps shed some light on how the grid works. For the most part, you want to use something like the col 7 and col 9. So for the big column, you'd have the main content column would be a col 9, and the navigation would be like a col 7, or maybe this could be a col 12 and this could be a columns 4. So play around with it. You do need the class row, and then within it you definitely need to have columns that add up to 16, because that's what we decided to use. Thank you for watching, and we hope this is helpful for you to use the grid framework. Thanks again.